Hi mga boss! Welcome to my channel, Sheila TV8. You want to go live stream or you want to have automatic response to your live chatters? Why don't you use Nightbot? Now I will show you, or I will teach you, or I will make this video on how you will create your Nightbot bot. So let's go. First, we need to go to our Google Chrome or Google application, or you can use Opera Mini or whatever application you use. And then, of course, don't forget to click this one on the top, the three dot, and then look for desktop site. That's it. And then we will search for Nightbot. And then go to Nightbot, and then click this one, Nightbot. And then sign up. Log in with YouTube. So log in with YouTube. I have too much YouTube account, so you will choose which YouTube account you want to log in this one. So I will choose this one, Police 1 Sheila. And then allow. After that, here you go. Welcome to our YouTube Nightbot. This Nightbot will respond directly. If this one, you can set a person before the responses. So you can choose here the commands. After that, custom. After custom, you can see here add command. So you will click this one, add command, and then what command you will put, or what people think, what people they always write when coming in your live stream. So we will see salamat. Salamat. And then message, walang anuman. And then your response here, walang anuman. And then after that, you click this one, open parenthesis, and then $sign, and then cross parenthesis. That's it. And then space. So this one, walang anuman, who's the one chatting you will automatically put their name here. And then, sasali ka ba sa live stream? Sa live stream ko, pasok at magpalista. And then just that. And then you can choose here how many countdown, 5 seconds, or you can use 29 seconds or even 180 seconds. So if you want to choose automatically this one, added or reply to the message, so just use 5 seconds and then click here submit. If you want to add more, so this one, the blue sign, of course, add more command. And then write another command, palista. You can choose palista. This one, normally people put, or normally people comment in chat box if they enter your live streaming. Or palista. Tapos you click, you put here your login link. You put, just add your login link, and then this one automatically put or drop the login link. So now I don't have the login link because we need to set up this one login link on all Google also. So palista, salamat sa pagbisita. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Our attendance pin already upstairs. Dance already pin up like that. So they will automatically look in the tab and then sign in your attendance and then save. And then of course this one you may need to set up also the call down or how many seconds you automatically reply this Nightbot. Like that, whatever you want to put here in Nightbot, you can add and then submit. What else? And then if you want giveaways, you can click also giveaways, logs, regulars, or song requests. But this one very difficult. Maybe this one there's a copyright, spam protection. You can add also the settings of this one, spam protection, and then timers. Now we go also this one timers. We will set up for another timers, and then you can also click this one add plus, and then example excuse me. Here example, well, we put this one, excuse me, and then message here, budol, bawal ka dito, bumalik ka na lang. Budol, bawal ka dito, bumalik ka na lang pag di ka na budol. Ka na lang pag di ka na budol. Like that, bumalik ka na lang pag di ka na budol. That's one you want to put. And then interval, you can adjust this one, how many minutes, of every 30 minutes or 13 minutes, or you want every 30 minutes, like that, chat lines. Then if you finish already your setup, just click submit, and then you can add more if you want more action or more timers. But else, and then we have integration, help documents, find support. After that you finish this one, we go back to our command and then custom. If you need to edit this one, there's the yellow one, you can edit or you can delete. There's the red one, or you can add your command here if you really want to add your command. If after you finish your setup, you can go now here in R on the top, the dashboard. Just click the dashboard. After that, join channel. See, look properly, this one, join channel. Just click this one, the join channel. And then after you click the join channel, click this one, the red here, red circle. Click and then copy. You copy this one, all the red. After you copy, you go to this one, community settings. Just click this one, the community settings. and then continue to studio. Just tap this one, and then you can see here community. Yeah, you can directly come here in the settings, and then there's community. This one, we click this one, add moderator, and then you paste this one, the link you copied. Just long press and then paste, and then after that you paste the link. You just click check the here down in your and then click this one, Nightbot. See, already Nightbot, your moderator. After you click Nightbot, just save, copy Nightbot. See, you can add here moderator. You can see this one, Nightbot. Example, I do it again. 1 minute. We delete this one, Nightbot. If you want to delete your moderator, just click this one, the cross sign of Nightbot, and then you want to know again, I will back again as our moderator, Nightbot. Just click this one, and then long press, paste this one, our link, and then this check sign on your keypad or this one, and then click the Nightbot. This one, Nightbot. There, Nightbot is coming. That's it. Very easy and very simple on how you will use Nightbot. Just click save. That's it. Very easy and very simple on how to use Nightbot. Nightbot on your live stream, and so it will be automatically a response to any live chatter that meet the standard of Nightbot. That is it. Very simple. Anything else I forget? Well, just explore and you will know how to use Nightbot. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. And this is Sheila, always saying your special shine like a star. And keep always smile in your face. God bless us all. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.